Assalamu alaikum dear doctors. Welcome to our question solving session. And the new question asks, what is the most likely cause of the attacks? They give 5 options: A. Fear of the dark, B. Hypnagogic state, C. Night terrors, D. Nightmares, and E. Nocturnal complex partial seizures. Describing the question, a 5-year-old boy has episodes of screaming and perspiration during sleep. He does not respond to his parents and appears to talk to an imagined person in the room. The episode settles after around 15 minutes and the child goes back to sleep. He has no recall of the episode on waking. So the cause of the attack is here night terrors. Answer of the question is night terrors. Now I am explaining about night terrors. Night terrors most commonly seen in children between 4 and 7 years. Typically, the child wakes up from deep or stage 4 sleep, apparently terrified, hallucinating, and unresponsive to those around him or her. Usually, such episodes last less than 15 minutes and the child goes back to sleep and no recollection of the events in the morning. It is unusual to find any underlying reason or stresses contributing to the problem. So the cause of this attack is night terrors, and we should need to remember in night terrors there is no recollection at the morning. The child totally forget the events happen on the night. That's the clue point, and episode lasts 15 minutes. Most common differential diagnosis of night terrors is nightmares. How nightmares present? This occur during rapid eye movement, REM sleep, and the child remembers the dream either immediately or in the morning. Underlying anxiety should be solved. So, difference between night terror and nightmare, main key points is that in nightmare, the child can immediately or in the morning can remember what happened at night time. But in night terrors, there is no any recollection what happens or events occur at night. In the morning, he totally forget all these things. So this is all about the explanation of this question. Please check the description box. I will give explanation totally there. Please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.